Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from Mercy Hair on Amazon. It comes in this packaging. And when you open it up, it has these little tattoos, which are cute. And then it comes with a wig cap and the wig itself. So this is their mixed brown long body wave wig. Then it also just has this sticker that says Mercy Hair, best quality, tangle free, and care instructions. So this is what the bang looks like, and it has that little part. That part looks really fake and it's very light, but we'll see. And then it has two clips on the side. That's where the part is, and no clip on the bottom, but adjustable straps. And this wig is synthetic. It's about $20. So let's brush it out. If I can get my brush to cooperate. There's okay. Seems a little thick, which isn't bad. I'm brushing through it kind of hard right now. Not getting that much shedding, but getting a few strands. The color in the hair looks really nice. It does have that synthetic look to the hair though, and the curls are like clumping up. See that? So we'll see. If anyone knows what's some good products to put on synthetic hair, let me know, because I don't really know. But the color and the little brown highlights looks good. Yeah, let's see what it looks like on me. I just put the wig on. Oh, a lot of hair in my face. And the bang is actually, it looks like it's a different color, but I think it's the same color as the black. It's just that it doesn't have any mixed brown in it, so it kind of stands out. Brush it. So like after I brushed it and everything, the hair feels soft, but it just feels like synthetic hair. I don't know, it just feels not real. I can't think of a better descriptive word for it right now for some reason, but it looks fine when you initially brush it out. But that looks pretty cute, but I don't know. What do you guys think? It might look okay. The bangs aren't that bad. Not that good. Not bad though. The hair actually looks kind of flat. So let me show you the sides and the back. Not bad. I'm getting little pieces all over my face though. Maybe I need to find out which way I want the curls. The bangs to go. Like, am I gonna do a little bang side part like that? No. I want them to just be like straight on my face. Like that, I guess. the bang should probably be bumped or something, but I don't really like putting heat on synthetic hair, even though it says this hair is heat resistant. Let's see what it's heat resistant up to. Oh, the wig length is 24 inches. I couldn't find it in the description, but I scrolled down and it says it in wig details. So 24 inches, straightened and curled up to 185 degrees Celsius, which is what in Fahrenheit? 365 degrees Fahrenheit. And I don't think my flat iron even goes that low. But yeah, so actually the wig doesn't look that bad. It actually looks a little cute. I guess I could put some makeup right here to darken that part, make it look like more of my complexion. But no, it doesn't look that bad. Let me know what you guys think. Pretty easy to put on, you don't have to do too much because of the bang and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, and thanks for watching.